cooking up on fire, bro.
What's up, bougie babes? It's your girl Queen Bougie, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you can tell by that title, this is going to be another wig construction video. For this video, we are going to be doing a Babiana. So we are going to be using 3 bundles of 14-inch straight bundles, as well as a 14-inch HD closure to complete this look. If you are a new viewer to this channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can get notifications for when I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, how you doing, babe? How you doing? Let's get right into the video. Alright, so now it is time to add the bundles to the wig cap. So what you're going to do, of course, as always, you are going to put the needle and thread through the actual width of the bundles. Of course, we are going to do this double width. We're not going to do it singly or pull the bundle fully apart to put the bundle on. So as I stated, we are going to put the needle and thread through the actual width of the bundle first. And then the second time that we pull the needle and thread through, we are going to go underneath the width and tie a knot to secure the first bundle that is being added on, or the first track that is being added on. As I always tell you, babes, please make sure that you are doing your stitching close together. You are tying knots periodically, and you're pulling the needle and thread as tightly as possible without bunching. Alright, babe, so if you haven't noticed already, this video wasn't really for the wig construction. It is more so for the actual style. So I am going to teach you, babes, how to cut a Babiana the way that I learned, or the way that it's easier for me, and it could be easier for you guys too. So what I like to do first is I like to flat iron the entire head, and then I also like to part it where it's gonna part, and hot comb it so it can lay as flat as possible. And then I go to the cutting process, but you are going to see that here in the video. So my customer wanted baby hair, so that is what you see me pulling out now, just to make sure that she gets her baby hairs. Then what I like to do is I like to go in through the closure and or frontal, whichever one it is, and take my Kira Care wax stick and hot comb the hair down before I flat iron it. This just helps the unit be as flat as possible, because who wants to wear a wig that looks like a wig? We are not back in the 1960s, babe. We need the wig to look like it's coming out of your scalp. Y'all, please do not fuss at me, but I literally forgot that I was recording my YouTube video, because like I told y'all, I was on live as well, and I forgot to come back on here and record. But anyway, I started cutting first and realized that I was recording, so now y'all get to see the rest of the process. So all you're gonna do is you're just literally gonna cut it the way that you want it to be, like the length that you want it to be, the style you want it to be, and everything of that nature. This is done after you fully flat iron the hair. Do you see how easy this is? Do you see that line? Period. Pooh, don't play with the cut. Alright, babe, so this is the most important part for me as far as a Babiana, is making sure that you lean the head over, whether you're doing it on a person or a wig head. Lean the head over so you can cut underneath. So that way when you move your head, it'll be cut evenly all the way around underneath as well. So when you move your head, it'll still be a blunt cut. Alright, babes, so she is done. This is the Babiana that we just completed. So, of course, as I told you before, we are using 3 14-inch bundles from Bougie Lifestyle Collection, as well as a 4x4 14-inch HD closure from Bougie Lifestyle Collection. All of the details and everything will be in the description box below if you want to shop. Again, thank you so much for watching my video, Bougie Babes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can get notifications for when I upload a new video. And until next time, Bougie Babes, see you later. Mwah!